What's up guys, today I'm going to show you this super cool serum hack that will allow you to virtually make any sound you would like to recreate or just create in general. This trick allows me to make super organic synth sounds that you don't just hear every day. Pretty crazy about this trick, that's why I wanted to make a video and show it to you guys. But using this trick I was able to recreate one of my favorite Kygo songs called Happy Now, and that song sounds like this. Also, what I did when I was feeling super inspired about this trick is I went ahead and made a preset pack for you guys with 15 of some of the nicest serum sounds that I've made in a while. And you can get a hold of this pack just by going down below and clicking the link in the description, and then you can download your pack for free. And like I said, that's just a gift from me. Alright, so let's jump into this trick, and like I said, it's quick and we'll just open the door to so many more sounds that you could do with serum. And I don't know, it could be obvious to some of you, but it wasn't obvious to me. Let's recreate this sound. And this sound is, like I said, available in that preset pack. That's for free in the description below. So we're going to start out with an initialized sound. And the key to unleashing this trick is to use serum as a sampler and a synth mix. So we're going to sample a sound that I found on Splice that I will also leave in that pack below so you can use this exact sound. The sound that I found on Splice is just a synth pluck. I searched synth pluck and I did the filtering thing and just picked a random pluck that I found on Splice. And it sounds like that. And what I do is I turn the noise oscillator on and sample the sound by simply dragging it over this little name tag here. And then what we do is we have to turn it into a one shot by clicking that. Then we have to make it playable on the keyboard by clicking that piano thing there. And then I turn off oscillator A just to get this pluck calibrated and in the right place. So for some reason when you sample sounds in this noise oscillator, they're very quiet. So what I do is I just turn the volume level all the way up, and that gives us a nice sound. So if I go to middle C and I click, it's very low pitched, so automatically what I'm going to do is put the sound 2 octaves up, which is exactly 24 semitones. So now what I have to do is I have to mix the pitches of this sample and the wave table, and then we'll be good to start creating the sound, because as you could hear, they are not the same pitch right now. So I'm going to pitch this sample down to match this saw wave. And using my ear, I'm able to match the pitch. So now they are the same note. So I'm going to turn this down a little bit, and then I'm going to turn the master up because automatically our sound basis is a little quiet. So this is what our sound sounds like now. So now we could do the fun part. Start creating a synth sound and then mix it with our sampled sound. Then we get this really cool organic sound. So I'm going to take this synth and create a pluck, and as you can see I already turned off this pluck here just so it doesn't get in the way of the sound that I'm going to make with the synths. So I'm just going to recreate a pluck now, a simple synth pluck by modulating the cutoff here with envelope 2 and then creating a short decay pluck like that. Then I'm going to modulate this all the way to 100%. Like that. I'm going to come into oscillator B and create a square wave. But here's the sound that I have now, because I just routed oscillator B to this filter, and this filter is modulated this cutoff here. Now we have that sound. So then what I did is I brought this sound back in, our sampled sound. Now I got their octaves correct, so these were just an octave too low. So you can hear we have the super nice transient from this sampled pluck mixed with the beautiful synth sound from these oscillators here, and it's up to you if you want to add some unison to them, just to add, you know, add a little bit of voicing. And then we can go to the effects, turn on a beefy Serum reverb. Ooh, that doesn't sound good. Let's go ahead with a plate reverb. Like that. And then we'll go ahead and add a little bit of delay. Ping-pong delay with 1/8 and 1/4. And you get a super nice sound like that. I'm actually gonna high cut this. This is the craziest thing. Like, my mind is blown every time I make a sound with this little method here, and that's it. That's how you do the method, and you could do that with any sample. You can sample a flute, you can sample pads, you can sample sustained instruments, you can sample a Moog synthesizer or a Nexus sound or an XFER sound, mix it in with Serum and use the power of Serum to create a cool synth to layer on that sample and just unleash a world of new possibilities for sounds and add them to your arsenal. But I thought that was pretty cool, guys, and I did want to share that with you. So if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, comment your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching, and see me in the next video. Peace out, guys.